Have you ever felt confused in your relationship? Do you wonder if your boyfriend's behavior is normal? It's hard to tell if you're dealing with difficult personality traits or actual narcissism. Many people struggle to identify the subtle signs. They often overlook or excuse them. Recognizing these signs is crucial for your well-being. You deserve a relationship filled with love and respect. Don't ignore red flags that could lead to heartache. Your mental health matters. Remember, love should not be painful or one-sided. You deserve a partner who values and respects you. Pay attention to the signs and prioritize your happiness. One common sign of a narcissistic boyfriend is a constant need for admiration. He might fish for compliments and expect you to always praise him. He may exaggerate his achievements or talents to impress you. Another red flag is a lack of empathy. He struggles to understand or care about your feelings. He might dismiss your concerns or become angry when you're upset. This self-centeredness can make you feel unimportant and unheard. Thirdly, notice how he handles criticism. Even constructive feedback might be met with anger or denial. He might blame others for his mistakes or refuse to take responsibility for his actions. Living with a narcissistic partner can be emotionally draining. Setting boundaries is vital for your well-being. Clearly communicate your needs and limits. Don't be afraid to say no to unreasonable demands. Try to detach emotionally when he becomes manipulative or demeaning. Remember that his behavior is a reflection of him, not you. Focus on building a strong support system of friends and family. Don't try to change him or fix him. This is unlikely to be successful and might lead to further frustration. Accept him for who he is, but prioritize your own needs and happiness. Dealing with a narcissist can take a toll on your mental health. Remember that you are not alone. Seek professional help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide support and guidance as you navigate this challenging situation. Focus on self-care activities that bring you joy and peace. Engage in hobbies, spend time in nature, or practice mindfulness. Taking care of your emotional and physical well-being is crucial. Remember that you deserve happiness and respect. Don't be afraid to walk away from a relationship that consistently makes you feel unworthy or unloved. You have the strength to create a brighter future for yourself.